Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on how to complete the Counselor Education Field Evaluation. We recommend that you use either Google Chrome or Safari when completing the evaluation. You will receive an email from tk20@wcupa.edu, which will contain a link directly to the Student Evaluation Binder. Click on the link. A split screen will appear. The student evaluation form will be located on the top right side of the screen. Click on the EDC Evaluation of Practicum Internship Student Site Supervisor link. Complete the evaluation form. All fields marked in red with an asterisk are mandatory. Do not enter a grade at the bottom of the evaluation. If you wish to print a copy of the evaluation, be sure you are using either Google Chrome or Safari. Click on the Print Friendly View link on the top right of the page. This will open a new tab where you can then print using your browser's printer function. To save your evaluation and return to it at another time, click the Save button at the bottom right corner of the form. Then, click the Close button at the top right of the form. You can return to the binder at any time by clicking on the link in the original email that was sent to you. When you are finished the evaluation, click the green Complete button at the bottom right corner of the form. Then, click the green Submit button on the top right of the page. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any additional questions, please contact us at tk20@wcupa.edu or call us at 610-436-2085.